Hello everyone, today's desserts will be chocolate covered bacon. They are so delicious and so easy to make and only needs a few ingredients. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degree. And then here I have some bacons that I'm just going to line them flat onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or foil, whichever one you have. And then you just want to make sure that they don't really touch each other because they won't cook as fast. But you know, if they touch, it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna move them to the side a little bit, kind of snuggle them all in there. And then I am going to bake them for about 15 minutes. It depends on how thick your bacons are, but these are not as thick. So they're gonna go into the oven for about 15 minutes. So meanwhile, the bacons are baking. I'm gonna microwave this for about 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, we're gonna stir it and then do it again for another 30 seconds until it melts. Okay. Take it out. And then I'm just going to give it a mix. And then it's getting there, but I'm gonna do it for another probably a couple seconds. And then that looks good for me, you guys. Okay, you guys, and then after the chocolate is melted, I'm gonna grab some coconut oil. I'm just gonna toss it right in there. You can use butter if you wish, or you could just use olive oil too. But I'm using coconut oil today. And then you just want to give it a quick mix, combine well. And then we're just going to set this aside until we're ready to use it. And then after 15 minutes of cooking in the oven, I took them out and then put them into a paper plate lined with paper towel to let them drain. And then at this point, we just want to let them cool for a little bit before we go into the next step. Okay, now that they are cool up to the touch, I'm just going to set them aside a little bit. And then here I have a parchment paper, and I'm just going to place the bacons flat. And then they are really crispy, so there is gonna be a chance where maybe they might break on me. Okay, now I have all the bacons lined up. I'm just going to grab the chocolates. And then here's the chocolate. And then I'm just going to give it another quick stir. Okay. And then I'm going to grab myself a spoon. And then I'm just going to spoon them a little bit on each of them. Just so I could work with it. And then this part is going to be a little messy, so I'm going to use my hands and I'm just going to kind of spread them all around the bacon. And then if I need more chocolate, then I'll add more. Okay. And then I'm going to turn them around to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay. Then I'm going to grab chocolate again and just spread some on each of them. The best thing is to go little at a time, and if you need more, and always add more. Then I'm gonna go in with my hands again. You guys, these smell so good. You can smell the bacons and the chocolate, and then the coconut oil too, of course. Okay, and then after I'm done with this, I'm gonna pop them into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the chocolate is hardened. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay, here we go. Mmm. 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 This is so good, you guys. Mmm. You got your sweet, you got your salty. What more can you ask for? Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Can't stop eating it. Mmm. You guys, that was really delicious. The perfect amount of sweetness and saltiness that goes with keto, you guys. But if you're not on keto, that's okay. You guys can still have it too. If you would like the recipe, the measurements are in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go and check that out. Until next time, bye. Mm. Mm.